Magandang hapon po ng May 26, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng May 26, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, May 26, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas para sa 5 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later' for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for May 26, 2025 Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, May 26, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for May 26, 2025 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.